Trophy body training kicked so much butt, and it still kicks butt to this day. So we're gonna discount all of our trophy body training programs, 50% off for Black Friday, all through December and the last bit of November. So if you wanna have these programs to dip into anytime just to see, you will love them. The only thing is that we were mouth breathing in them. So we were, that's the one thing that I wish I could go back and change, because it was hyperventilation central. If you do buy those programs when they're 50% off, just nose breathe through them and then get a taste for what the Trophy twins were doing back in the Trophy day. You will see the difference in our bodies, in our hair, in our studio. The background is where we used to live when we lived with our grandma. I moved in with her in 2012, which was when she was like 93. This was when I discovered rebounding. She was bouncing on a rebounder just like this. This is what she was doing. And I came home from work one day and I walked in and I was like, Grandma, what are you doing? That looks so awesome. I had never seen this in action before. I'd never heard of rebounding ever. Maybe there was a seed planted because our dad had a rebounder, but I was way too young to really process that information. So I see Grandma bouncing. She doesn't say anything more about it other than, yeah, I'm a queen, I'm smart. But anyway, I started jumping on it. And like 2 months later, somebody commented, because it must have been summertime, somebody commented, your legs look amazing. And I'm gonna tell you right now that my awareness was not on the shape of my legs. So when she said that, it clicked in me. I thought, it's the rebounding that's got my legs shaped like this. That seed was planted. And then I was ready to go back to Hawaii. And she says, can I come with you? She's 93 or 94 at this time. And I'm thinking, Grandma, you are so awesome. You're coming, let's go. And basically in that moment, I said, it's you and me. It's gonna be the three of us until the end. I'm not taking you to Hawaii without being with you until the end. So we took her to Hawaii and we had 5 beautiful years in Hawaii. And then we had 5 more beautiful years coming back to where we were living originally. She lived 11 years longer. We get to stay with her for 11 years. So anyway, we went to Hawaii and we did not bring the rebounder. So stupid. So not only did Grandma not get to use it, we didn't use it. But when we finally got to a point, it was 2016, so this was 3 years later, because we moved to Hawaii in 2013. I remembered about the rebounder and I said, we need to bring rebounders back into your life, Grandma, into our lives. We saw a YouTube video and the YouTube video compared different rebounders. I can even link it in the description box below so you can watch it. 3 different rebounders. One of them was the Cellerciser. And in the video, they said that the Cellerciser was built to last a lifetime. It made it sound like it was gonna last forever. Our grandma taught us, buy nice or buy twice. So we went with the rebounder that we knew was gonna last forever. It wasn't necessarily any other reason than that. So we got the Cellercisers, we brought them into our homes. We saw the DVD that came with the Cellerciser. And when we saw the DVD, we saw Dave Hall in the DVD, his results were so mind-blowing that we said, we want to look like him in the female versions. That's what our goal is, because he was sliced and diced, and his energy and his mood and his posture was so vibrant that we knew that he was healthy. It wasn't just about him being fit, it was about him exuding health. And so we said we wanted that. So our Cellercising journey began then. The Cellerciser is such a powerful rebounder that we did learn quickly that we were going too hard too fast at first, because we were very motivated to get our trophy bodies right off the bat. But we were also battling these little aches and pains and weaknesses through our journey, just because we were doing it too fast, too much. If you're thinking about getting a Cellerciser, use the rebounder you're on and just start to incorporate more Cellercising in, adding in just a few minutes. Consider this to be the strongest, most powerful rebounder on the planet, because it is for your body, and start to just transition over to the Cellerciser. We transitioned, we built our trophy bodies, and we then started I Jump Instead in 2020. In 2024, we brought in our first bungee rebounder, and it was the Jump Sport 350. It was not a 350 Pro, it was just a 350 and a really super soft bounce. And so we started with that and we were like, whoa, this is a completely different bounce. But something fun about that bounce, especially with the handlebar, was that you could really do these like high jumps on it, and you could do splits in the air. And there was something about that that was very intriguing, because when you're in the air, you can actually flex your legs and flex your core and squeeze and tuck. And you're pushing down into your handlebar, which is very stable and sturdy. So you also are getting this push-up effect and a flex, internal flex in your arms and your chest and your lats through the handlebar. It is so high intensity, but it is so much fun. And I even made a video that's on I Jump and Said YouTube. It's like 12-minute calisthenics jump sport workout where we're doing push-ups and we're even under the bar and doing pull-ups and we do squats. And I'll link that in the description box for you below as well. The thing is that if you're jumping high, you need to have a nice soft bounce. The softer the bounce, the higher you can bounce, just like an outdoor backyard trampoline. When the bounce gets more and more firm, you want to keep your bouncing low. It makes sense. The idea with rebounding is to build up momentum and reps in a resistance bounce. We want to be resistance bouncing, resistance training. If you do have this bounce, then you can do the handlebar thing, and that could be a way that you could bring amazing strength into your body. It's basically gymnastics. With that being said, the Cellerciser bounce is extremely smooth and it's quick so that we can get more reps in per minute. This is spring, and it's a special kind of spring that supports your weight no matter your weight. So if you're using the Cellerciser and somebody else in your family is using the Cellerciser and you're at 2 different weights, you're getting the same resistance against your muscles because the springs are designed to support your weight no matter your weight. So the more you weigh, the more you go into the center of the spring, and it gives you that same resistance. And then they have this tapering so that it's self-adjusting. It just supports you even more. They went to the highest level that they possibly could with the spring design so that they could patent it and so that it would be the best on the market. We're really happy that we started with this rebounder, and then we were happy that we brought in Bungee Rebounders so that we could feel the difference. And we're happy now that we use all of them, and we want you to just know everything about rebounders, and so you can make the decisions that you want to make on which rebounders you want to have in your home as a part of your rebounding journey. We're so happy that you found us. We're so happy you're jumping with us, and thank you for commenting. Keep keep us posted. Not only do you help others when you comment how you're feeling, your progress, but you're also helping yourself by typing it out, because I want you to see what you're writing. I'm feeling awesome. I'm feeling more alignment in my body. I'm feeling stronger. I've lost weight. I'm feeling more energetic. I'm sleeping better. I feel more connected to my nose breathing throughout the day, more connected to my mind, to my muscles and my joints. I'm feeling better. We love hearing that, and we want you to write it out, and we want others to read it too. So thank you for your comments. Thank you for hanging out with me till the end of this video. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your trophy day, and I will see you very soon. Okay, trophies, lots of love. Bye for now.